This very well may be my last recording on the farm. I'm leaving in a few days. Back on the road again. It's so wonderful being here for an extended period of time. It was absolutely great to spend I guess lengthy periods of time with family. Got to relax together and play together and just hang out together. It's been wonderful. A little sad to go, but very excited to go as well. Continue my travels. Won't be back to the island yet, probably for about a month or so, depending on, weather and wildfires in BC and how hot it is, etc. I may or may not get back to the west coast quicker, or maybe it'll take me a little time to get through BC. I don't know yet. Okay, they separated out the grain from this stalk, but there's still a lot of chaff in there. This is the piano that I grew up with. Just to play by hand or play by ear a little bit. My father did refinish it. It was a really dark stain.
There should be a mark.
Miners lady, strangers in the water, dark and distant. Take me home to the place. Having a long on West Virginia.
Oh, yeah, that's pretty cool. Oh, yeah, thank you.
I think that's maybe who Dan works for. Oh, cheaper's good. You know what? I don't need decorations.
Cool. I love it.
The sound of it, the sound of the horn, eh? Camaro. Oh, look at the green one, that's an oldie.
My mechanic Zappa used to restore old vehicles as a job.
This is like a family version.
Is this a
Cadillac maybe? I'm not sure. Oh, look at that one, eh?
These are probably all local people too, wouldn't they be?
Movie star car, that yellow one.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, and this is the drug dealers in the shows. A very big Corvette. Oh, this is an old truck. Similar probably to what we drove in.
Exactly. I think I learned on a truck like that. Learned how to drive. Good old Model T. And then we get the Chuckwagon. Or whatever it's called.
It probably can't go much faster than it is, right?
Oh, that's pretty good. 1922 Model T.
Going up the speed.
Can you read what it says on it? I can't see it.
I can't either.
Holy moly. That's incredible. Wow. Wow.
Do a slow start button really giving her now. The 1929 Rumley Oil Pull W2545.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
1929.
Come on, go guys.
And
Go.
1918 crossover case.
Okay.
1918, the oldest tractor in the fleet.
Oh, okay, here comes Teddy Bear.
And there's the home in a quick start onto the Legacy was out and gone. Now we're at the top of the neck here on Sylvester Absence and Immediate Services. Around the guardrail. There they have breakfast. Ahead of Sylvester Absence and Immediate Services. Sylvester Absence and Services. Around. Look at him.
He's off and says, number 71 is where he's going. Now we're out there going to them up. Oh yeah, she's got all hands, she's come home. They're running time up 27-1-2. Up his head and says, let's go to work. Here we go. We get into a strong with the mother. And he says, let's go for a ride. And up there he goes. Hook forward, he's going to shoot that left number 70.5 and he's doing very, very good. Hang on. Wow. Better like that. Pick up that fellow to pull him down, put him on the ground. He's doing really good, I'm here to say. Folks, he can hear you. He's all alone on the ground. Since number 2 WRA says, let's go for a ride. There's nobody else. Oh. As he gets down. Himself. right, Jack. He's going to be right over the shoulder. The ball will come on over here, and all right, he goes. Stick down there, Twister. Stick down there. Help this man. Help this man. No. It's going to be a Bulls 100, Riders 0. Let's give it a Bull Riders a hand. That was our Platinum Fuel sponsored Bull Riders today. We're into the wild point races. As soon as we get that bull out here, we're going to get the wild. Just get in there, Bravo.
Which kid is Sawyer?
Not good. There you go. Like the way you can dress with all your booties and get up there, grab around that, get on there. Grab around that, go. Come on, girl. That is one tough lady, boys, right there. In shirts. There you go. All you cowboys, you have a look at that. Grabbing with your bare knees, I'm telling you. That hurt me up here. Fourth line legends, the next killer. Adrian Hamilton and Miles Rowe. You guys are on. The Queens are up next. And in the hole is Punching Ponies. You guys get ready.
All right, open one door, one more door for a little bit more airflow. And it's movie night. Yeah, I have to show you what I'm looking at out here.
Hello, Diary.
These are cats that live on the farm. They are wild. Ricky does feed them, but that's it. They don't have human contact. Oh, here's the really shy kitty. This one hasn't come to me. Every time she looks at me, she runs away. It took them quite a long time to even come to the van. They were very shy. And this little brown one you see was really shy. So this is really nice that he came that close to me. This is such a cool little place. I love it. And if the door opens, I have no idea what's in here. This is the cutest little bunkhouse. Wow.